bolt SOLIDWORKS. The document assembly and parts from design library. Toolbox added now. After loading, from drop down menu select bolt and screw. Select the type of bolt, select bolt, click left mouse button and hold and drag in the work field and drop down. Yes. Select the place, locate in the window of assembly, analogically select bolts, hold left mouse button and drag on the work field and drop down. And the next, select size, bolts, length, real length, and another property, and configure component. Okay.